So it's that moment of the night. I don't know if many of you get there, but it's moment of the night where you've been self-indulgent enough where maybe you're drunk, or you've overeaten, and you've gotten to a point in your night where you can't take it back. I mean, you don't feel good. You feel terrible. You feel like you don't have any self-control. You feel like you failed for the day. So what's new? One more check mark on the sticker chart of failure. Smiley faces, they're all frowny faces, right? You've led more days of this kind of behavior than good. And you feel terrible every day, and you don't know what to do about it, and you're in that cycle. Yeah. The depression cycle. Anxiety, depression, self-deprecation. And, I don't know, I'm sure you overindulge in one thing or another. Whether it's food or something else, I don't know. Could be drugs, could be anything. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't really matter what it is. Like, it's all addictive. And it's all terrible, and it leaves you empty at the middle of the night, right? It's not even 10 o'clock right now, and I'm still just hitting that wall. There's like nothing. A great wall of nothing. I don't know. There's really nothing to say past that. I mean, great. Time to go to bed. Try to go to bed. Stare at the wall for 2 hours trying to go to bed. And nothing. Awesome day. I do look forward to seeing my kids tomorrow. Keeps me going, right? Doing it for them, doing it for them, doing it for them. When I try to do it for me, I overdo it for me. And it's never what I need. It's never even what I want. It's just doing something. Ugh. So unsatisfying. Everything I do is unsatisfying. Ugh. Makes me cringe. I just don't want to do anything because of that. Anyway. I will edit this one shorter. It's for sure needed. I don't know. Not gonna stretch this one out for 4.5 more minutes. Okay, bye.